Hey, fake too. I was bored, so I said I'll talk to fake too. I said, I don't know what time it is, but damn. Let me get the good luck. Alright, I'm back. And the damn phone cut off. I had to clear storage. Let's see. We're going to find some fish. Something. Snake. Alligator. Something. There's a spider. That's somewhere down there. There you go. See what the hell is that? Oh damn, boy, what that was? That's an alligator. Let's see. I can't see over there with the bullshit ass light. Weak light. Shit, I'll hop across that grass and grab a deer. So I feel hungry. Ain't nobody give me nothing like lights no more. I don't give a damn. Ain't gotta give me nothing else. But people been giving me some stuff at the stores and stuff. The nice girls at the subway, the man that owned the boat place right there going into Walmart, on the boat fabricating place. I normally go out there and do a little bit of cleaning up the trash out there on my free time, which I have a lot of. So I go out there and clean the trash, and I guess he's seen me a couple times. I heard something under this here rock. So I guess he felt sorry for me and he gave me a gift card to Subway. And then I got the Subway. My old buddy, he was riding around on the bicycle. So I said, let's go get something to eat. So I was gonna buy him something to eat with my card. And then the girls turn around and ain't taking nothing off the card. So I got everything for free. So and then another friend of mine rode up there and gave me a little bag of meth for free. So I did all right. Still ain't got no cigarettes though, but I got some beer. I got to go back there and get it. There's a snake right there. I'm gonna let him go though. I gotta get a bigger light in my fish gigs from the camper in Arlington. Come out here and do some real fish gig and build me a little boat. I want to go way over there, but I should have put on my boots. I'm going. What's it? I'll turn it back on because I had heard something. Who that? Ain't nobody. The owls be hooting out here, boy. The owls be scared. Let's see. Let him go. See what that is. That's a mill. No, I ain't throw that. What's something in them bushes? What's in them bushes? Cars. Lily pan, crunch. Still on something. Boy, I can tell I'm bored. Let's see what else we got on there. Boy, something gonna cause me to cut something up in them woods. I don't know who they dealing with. Fat Phill go retarded on that. Go retarded on the asses. I just keep the trash shit right there. Just throw it on. Now there's my toiletries. This is where I use the toilet. It's build up high. You just go in there, pull the curtain and sit. I mean, you're on the breeze. Oh shit. I can turn it back on because I had heard something. Who Ain't nobody.